What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Fabian, where T-Bad stands for Tasty, Beautiful, and Amazing Dishes. Our channel is also about budget-friendly meals, never over $20, for couples of 2, families of 4, definitely not gonna break the bank. We also do amazing dessert tutorial videos, and we have cute puppy videos of my dog Nala, where I've had her since she was 7 weeks, and now she's 20 weeks. You know, when I first got her, I was looking online on how much she should grow, what she should look like, how much should she weigh, what should she eat, and I couldn't really find anything except for charts. So I was like, you know what, let me make my own stuff. So if you want to see a series of how my pit bull has been growing for the past 15 weeks, check that other content, guys. You'll definitely like it. And today we have a great dish for you. We have a Bullion baked chicken with garlic Brussels sprouts and country chive mashed potatoes, all made by scratch. And this meal for a family of 6 is only gonna be $8.50. That's right, $8.50. This is definitely gonna last you if you're a couple, because now you have lunches for the rest of the week. And I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video, and to all my new subscribers, if you could please hit like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that anytime I send a video, it sends you out a link. My name's Fabian, welcome to the T-Bad channel. Let's get into it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed. say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Alright guys, and there you have it. You have a bouillon baked chicken with garlic mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts with country chive mashed potatoes. Please like and subscribe. This is Fabian. Thank you for watching the Teabag channel. Until next time. Bye!